For this last example, we're going to be looking at a kind of a table or a chart sort of thing, because we also want to learn to take information from some kind of like a table or a chart or something and be able to make sense out of it. So here we have this chart here that says getting to work, how workers 16 and over get to work. So we have all these different ways that people get to work. They drive, they carpool, walk or work at home, use public transportation. And then over here we have the number of people who do that according to the U.S. Census Bureau. Now, we should be able to find information from this and help make sense of it. So our first question here says, which method of transportation is most used? Well, we're looking at which one of these numbers is the largest here. This is kind of giving us a little bit of number sense also. It looks like this 84 million is the largest number out of all of these. So that means that people who drive alone, it would be the most used transportation. Then it says to write that number in words. Okay, well, we practiced this in the last video, so let's do this again. We would remember your commas separate your periods. So this would be 84 million 215 but now that is in the thousands period, so we'd have to put thousand at the end, comma, 298. Remember, we hyphenate 98. So 84,215,298. Now, there are some more questions to do with it. This one says, find the number of people who walk to work or work at home and write it in words. So walk to work or work at home. Well, that would be these people right here. So that would be the number 7,894,911. And then to write that out in words, we just have to do exactly what we just said. 7 million, comma for the period, 894, that's hyphenated. And now since that's the thousands period, we want to write thousands, or thousand, comma, 911. Hey, let's check it and make sure we're right. 7,894,911. That looks very good. The next question says, find the number of people who carpool and write it in words. Okay, so for carpooling, let me erase this one off here because we're done with that one. For carpooling, we're talking about these people right here. So that number would be 15,377,634. So I'm going to write that number out. 15,377,634. Oh, my pen is not working so wonderfully today, is it? There we go. And now we can go ahead and write that out actually in words. So that would be 15 million, comma for the period there, 377. Now remember, that's in the thousand period, so we have to write thousand after there, comma, 634. Okay, is that right? 15,377,634. That sounds very nice. And which method of transportation is the least used? This is our final question. Looking up here, it looks like public transportation is the smallest one, so that would be our answer.